So to start making the bench, we're going to start with the rectangle tool, which we've used before. We're going to draw the kind of base of the bench. Okay, so we've kind of got to get it in similar scale to the person standing there. So something around about that size would be ideal. Okay, we then need the push-pull tool, and we're going to pull it up so it's kind of like the sort of slab, I suppose, that you would sit on in the bench. Now the problem is at the moment, as we can see using the orbit tool, our bench is on the floor and we need our bench to be raised so we can pull it up and create the legs and so on. So to do this we need to use the move tool. Okay, now it's worth remembering that you're designing in 3D but our screen is 2D, so we have to be very precise when we're moving it so the computer knows where we want it to move to. So what I mean by precise is I'm going to go for a side-on view of my bench here. Okay, and I'm going to move it upwards. Now the problem is I need to select my whole bench, and if I draw over here, okay, what it might do, it hasn't in this instance, but it might select the person as well. Okay, so in order to avoid that, what you can do is just use the orbit tool and make sure you can see clear daylight between the person and the bench. So I can go back to the selection tool and position my mouse just around about there and drag across. Okay, and we can see if we use the orbit tool that the whole bench is now selected. So I'm going to go for my side-on view. I'm going to use the move tool and I'm going to pull the bench up into the air. Okay, not too far, just about there I think. And we can use our move tool just to have a look in comparison to the person, and that's probably a reasonable height. Okay, so we've got our bench in the right position now, and the next step here is building the legs to the bench.